Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will be learning about algebra. This is the most important topic of mathematics. This is actually the base and most of the students do not find it easier to work with algebra. So basically what is it? It starts with letters. Any kind of letters. It can be A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Mostly students get confused with this X, Y, and Z things. So what is it? It is just an assumed value. We cannot say that X can be fixed 1, 2, 3, and so on. It is not the case same as numbers. For example, when we deal with numbers, we call it constant in algebra. Why constant? Because when we talk about 1, it is 1 in every region of the world. We cannot say that in Pakistan 1 is 1 and in England 1 is 4. No, that's not the case. That's why we call it constant. But when we talk about variables in algebra, it is a different thing. It depends on the equation, expressions, and the problem that is under consideration. For instance, I say x plus 4 is equals to 5. Now, there is a condition in which we have to evaluate the value of x. So for that purpose, we do have different steps. Like we have two approaches. One is that we just move it on the other side and find out the value of x. That is 5 minus 4 and x is equals to 1. And basically, more appropriate approach is that our equation is x plus 4 is equals to 5. So what we're going to do in mathematics, we just don't do steps randomly. We do have a logic behind it. So we have to subtract 4 on both sides. 5 minus 4 and 4 minus 4. This and this cancel out each other and it becomes 0. So we have x is equals to 1. So you can see that x has same value by both of the methods, but if we have any different equation it at its place, then x will have a different value. It can be in decimals, fractions, square roots, or whatever. It completely depends on the condition that what equation is given to us. Now this is an equation, but if I write, let's say a plus 5. This is not an equation because in equation we have a sign of equality. Whenever sign of equal is given and a number is written on the other side, then this is an equation. And if we don't have equality sign, then we don't call it equation. Then this is the expression, algebraic expression. Next thing is coefficient. What is the coefficient? This is the very simple equation that I have written on the board. Now I can also write something like 2a plus 7. Now any number that is written along with your variable is the coefficient that is multiplied with the variable. So this is coefficient. Alright students, so this was the demo that so I kept it very precise and minimum. Thank you.